Well, welcome everybody. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you something that I just got in the shop. I'm super excited about. If you have been following me, you have seen all of these classes that are popping up that we're opening up in June. I'm so excited to be able to teach in person again. We're going to be traveling all over Wyoming doing these classes, so I'm just so excited to be bringing them to you. So if you're interested in doing an in-person class, I know in-person classes are the most popular ones because you get that accountability and that community right there in person so that you get your quilt done and we have fun together. It's so much fun. We're going to have drawings and prizes and quilting fun, and we'll have lunch together and all these fun things. So I hope that you'll go check out that page that I have in the description box and see what classes are coming in your area. We're coming up to Sheridan, Wyoming for a couple classes the end of June, and also in Thermopolis the end of June. So I hope that you guys will check those out. And then we have a couple local classes here in Casper, Wyoming, starting June 9th, the Stars and Stripes, which I had to wear my Stars and Stripes shirt that I found at Kohl's the other day. I was like, it's perfect. So that class starts June 9th. It's going to be a 3-night class every Wednesday night. It starts the 9th and then the 16th, and then we skip the 23rd and go to the 30th because we'll be in Sheridan the 23rd. So we're going to make this fun pattern. It's called Stars in Stripes. And we're going to learn how to make all of these blocks and the borders, the sashing, and all the fun things in a throw size quilt. So there's fabric requirements on the back of the pattern, so you can get this. Let's see. So if you sign up for the class, you'll get an email with the fabric requirements so that you can purchase whatever fabric that you want or pull from your own stash if you would like to before the class, and then you'll get this pattern within the class. Now, you can purchase this pattern separately if you're not able to join our class. We have these on our website. And then we just got in this new quilt kit. So let me change the camera view so you can see what's in the quilt kit. All right, oh, isn't this cute? It comes in this pretty box so you can reuse it and you know, keep your fabric stash in it, or your notions or your threads or whatever. It's perfect, and it's very heavy duty. It has this fun magnet on the lid so that it snaps shut together so you can keep it. And then it's got all the pretty designs everywhere, and the quilt on the back and what it includes. So it says the quilt pattern and the fabric for the quilt, top and the binding. So you'll just need your backing and your batting to finish off this quilt if you get the quilt kit. So let's open it up. It says, this beautiful fabric was designed by Mind's Eye, and I agree. It is so beautiful. So you get the Stars and Stripes pattern, which is by Hello Melly Designs. I actually got to take a class by Melly. Her name's Melanie. She taught a calligraphy class at Thanksgiving Point when we went to the Garden of Quilts show a couple years ago, before all the COVID stuff happened. And it was so much fun. I loved learning how to do calligraphy, and then I brought it home and showed my daughter, who loves penmanship. She's beautiful handwriting, and so she really got into it too. And it has, excuse me, all the instructions for cutting and how much fabric you're going to need and pictures. And doesn't this quilt, it's just perfect for 4th of July, right? It's also a really good Quilt of Valor pattern, but you can also make it in different colors. Like she showed on the front page here, she has it in this mint green and black and some reds. So it can be a quilt for any kind of color that you want to put together. It's great. So here is the fabric for it. Oh my goodness, I love this. Look at those beautiful flowers. Aren't those pretty? I love the dark blue. I just love it. My husband is very into Americana stuff, and so if I can combine the Americana stuff with the pretty florals, then we have a winning quilt here. So, oh man, this is so pretty, and the stars, of course. Very nice. The cool thing about this class too is you'll get your quilt top done before the 4th of July, and then I can help you get it long armed, and hopefully we can get it done before the 4th of July. Wouldn't that be awesome? Oh, these ones were really pretty too. I love all the little flowers. Oh my goodness, the pinwheels are adorable. Look at that. They have like the stars and stripes in the pinwheel. So cute. Oh my goodness. And then some red stars. Oh, and some red of those big flower prints. So pretty. And then a smaller version of that too. I love it. So cute. And then this gingham that's not really gingham, but it's kind of gingham with the triangles. Isn't that pretty? I love that. It's so cute. And then some reds of that floral. And then here's some with script on it. It says, "Oh, say, can you see?" Oh my goodness, I have to tell you, because my daughter's name is Sayla, and so we call her Say Say, or we just, say, "Hey, Say, what's going on?" Well, sometimes we say, "Oh, Say, can you see?" Poor girl, she's going to get that her whole life. And then there's lots of other little word ends there. Stars and Stripes, Land of the Free. Yeah, lots of cute little words. And then here's one that's white with blue and red. I love this one. That is so pretty. And then you've got a lot of background white fabric. So that is just perfect. I love this quilt kit. So when you sign up for the class, there is an optional quilt kit that you can get these. We only have a limited quantity, so make sure that you get yours quickly so they don't run out. Of course, this is not optional. Like I said, you can pull the fabric from your own stash if you would like. Or you can purchase other fabric if you want to do it in different colors maybe, or something like that. That would be great. We also have a couple other patriotic fabrics in our shop. Let me pull, I can't pull those, I've just moved them. So you can check that out at journeybackquilts.com. And if you would like those fabrics instead of this, then you can just swap those out, and we'll get you the fabric requirements when you sign up for the class. So make sure you go to that description link, and it will send you to our classes page where you can see all the classes that are coming up within the next couple of months, and get signed up. So even though we're having this one as an in-person class here in Casper, Wyoming, I know we have a lot of people that follow us that are outside of Wyoming, and so we're going to create an online version of this class for you as well. So if you sign up for the class, we'll send you the link to that as well. So those in Casper, you'll get access to both. So that way, if you have to miss the class for some reason, then you'll still have the information to be able to keep up with us. So I'm so excited for this class. Can you tell? I can't wait to be able to meet with you all again, and hopefully we can all act like human beings again, right? Because I have noticed, I don't know if you have, but as things are opening back up and we're starting to be able to meet together, people are awkward. And so I know I'm awkward too, and I get jumbly with my words and stuff. So if that's you and you just feel like, I can't do this, I don't want to be around people, hey, you'll fit right in our class because we're all awkward and we're together. So no worries there, right? So let me see if we have anybody commenting hi. If you're watching, I would love to know who you are and where you're at. Facebook keeps changing where the comment section is, so let me see if I can find it. Okay, I think I found it. All right, so cool. The other fun thing is we are moving our studio, kind of. So I have this studio within my home, and it has been great, but it's just a tiny little room. It's kind of like a nursery-sized bedroom. And so as we've been growing and we've gotten more inventory and stuff, it's just, I'm bursting at the seams. So we are moving our studio to the basement and moving our family room up to this room, and it'll be a tight little TV room, but we'll be able to still have meetings in here with clients and stuff. But then my studio is gonna have so much more space downstairs. I'm so excited. Plus my long arm is downstairs, so I get my steps in every day, going up and down those stairs a million times every day. So it'll be so nice just to be right there next to it so I can babysit it while I'm working on piecing or filming classes or other things like that. I'm so excited. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you updates on that as we get it going. Right now it's just an explosive mess and it's so much fun, but we're having fun kind of rearranging everything, and my kids are helping me. So they are such great helpers. All right, well, I'm so glad that you joined me today. If you have any questions about this upcoming class or questions about the quilt kit, anything like that, just let me know. You can leave a comment below or send us a direct message. And I hope that you'll join us for this class starting June 9th, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.